They're all kids at heart, whether school age or just in spirit. And every boy loves a model plane, especially a remote-controlled jet model. This is the International Olympics for model plane owners, the Jet World Masters Championship, held this year at the Dead Sea in Israel. Swiss jet pilot Rito Sen took this year's award. The dedication to this hobby is intense.
Actually, the pilot is being tested and giving scores by two parameters. First one is the scale. How scale is the airplane? The second one is how we fly the airplane, meaning the two combination bring the World Jet Masters Championship.
More than 20 finalists participated in the World Championships. Jet model aircraft evolved after the invention of the miniature jet engine, about the size of a soft drink bottle, in the mid-90s in Germany. Participants either make their models from kits or build them from scratch. A new model can cost up to $20,000 and thousands of hours. Then there are those who take it less seriously. About 20 planes participated in the finals this year, and the consensus of this group is that a model pilot can fly a real plane, but a commercial pilot has to spend a lot of time before he can fly a model. Dan Sheneman, NBC News.